Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are safe out there, and today we'll be making potato balls which have cheese filled inside of them. And this is a very easy recipe. It is very delicious, obviously, like all the other recipes that I've made earlier. If you have not checked that out, please check all of them out. And let's start with today's dish, potato balls filled with cheese. So, to make today's dish, we will first need our star ingredient, potatoes. So, these potatoes I have boiled them and peeled them, as you can see. And now we'll just keep this aside from the bowl. I have a chopping board here, so you might not be able to see that. But using this grater, we'll just grate these potatoes so that there are no big pieces in our. As you can see, it's grating. So now that we have our potatoes grated, as you can see, we will start adding the other ingredients. So I have some very finely chopped onions here. So just going to put that in. This is one onion. Next, I have thinly sliced green chilies. Now comes the part where we have to mash this and combine all of this together. As you can see, it is getting combined very nicely because it is boiled properly. So now I'm going to be adding almost 1 to 2 teaspoons of salt. Salt is very important because, as we know, potato sucks in salt. So please check the salt before and after putting it, because if you are using salt while boiling the potatoes, then we don't want to add too much of salt. So I'm just going to give it a little taste, and yeah, the salt is perfect. Now I'll be adding 1 teaspoon of red chili powder and one big heap of big teaspoon cumin powder, cumin, and 1 teaspoon of coriander powder. So now we'll again just mix it in. We'll just mix everything in. Now that everything is well bound together, you can see that this is a little sticky. So what I'll be doing is, I have a little bit of flour over here. I'm just going to add a little flour to this so that it can stop sticking and will bind the whole thing. And I am also going to be adding some breadcrumbs, fresh breadcrumbs that I have made at home. If you want the recipe to the breadcrumbs, comment down below and I will surely make that next. So now that we have our table cleared and we've got all the things that we need, we'll be starting off with the binding agent that we'll be using to cover up the potato balls. So first, this is flour, our normal flour, which is maida, and I have some water here. I'm just going to slowly add some water and make this into a slurry. So it will be not too liquidy, just enough liquid to cover the batter. So now that we have our slurry ready, as you can see, we will be taking our breadcrumbs also over here, and obviously the cheese balls. So I have taken cheese slices and rolled them out to be in a ball shape. So we are just going to keep that there. And now taking our potato mixture, just going to take a small laddu, just making a small round just like that. And now we have to just press that down and make a small hole using your finger inside and add one of these cheese balls in it and then just cover it up. Please ensure that you cover it up properly. If not, when you put it into the hot oil, it might splatter and the cheese might come out. So now that we have our first ball, we are just going to drop that in the slurry, cover it up just like that, and throw them into the breadcrumbs and just crumb coat them properly. So that we have to ensure that all the sides are covered and just draining out. And there we have the first ball, and now we have to do the
Look into my eyes and show me your adventures I haven't seen. Taking all the
we have all our potato balls covered with breadcrumbs. It is time that these balls go into the oil and get fried. So now we have come to our hub. We are just going to switch it on and just wait for the oil to heat up. So now that we have our oil all heated up, we are just going to take one ball. I'm just going to put it like this so that it does not spill, and just going to do it one by one to see how it comes out, because if the heat is less, the breadcrumbs tend to absorb a lot of oil. So we are just going to get this to a brown crispy coating stage and then take it out. And we have to do the same thing with all the other balls that we have made. And now there we have our final dish, potato balls with cheese filled inside of them. This is how they look when we cut them inside. As you can see, the cheese is oozing out. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please comment down below what would you like to see me do next. And don't forget to like this video, subscribe and share. And keep watching my channel. This is Ayushi Gupta signing off.